Rachel cooking lesson number 1. Rachel is cooking hot dog. She's making She's making pizza. Are you making pizza, Rachel?
No.
What are you making?
Red color.
Oh, red color. Are you making sandwich?
No one.
The one. Then what are you making?
This is the yellow one.
Yeah, blah blah blah. Don't know what you're talking about.
What?
Oh, you're making bina? Are you making bina?
Banana.
Banana. Oh, I see. You are making banana. Nice. Let me see.
Mommy.
Yes.
What?
Oh, 小心，小心。
Fisher.
Ah.
One day.
Take photo of you lah.